Hello there guys, so in this video we're going to be showing you how to create an e-commerce website on WordPress. To start with the basics, we have this local installation done and it is running on WordPress 5.7.2 and the version shouldn't matter for this whole tutorial, that the steps going to be same whichever version you're on. So let's begin. So in this step we're going to install Storefront theme by WooCommerce. So let's start with that. We go into the appearance and then themes page, click on this add new button. Now search for Storefront. Here it is. We click on install. We wait for it to get downloaded. It's downloaded now. We can activate this. Once it gets activated, it will show this pop-up where it will ask you to install the WooCommerce plugin, which is required for the e-commerce features. So let's do that. Just click on this install WooCommerce button. By the way, WooCommerce is a plugin by Automatic and it gives you e-commerce features on your WordPress site. So in case you didn't know, that was it. So this has been installed. Now we need to activate this plugin. We can either click activate here, or we can go to the plugin section and then click on the activate button there. Let's just click the activate button. In this first step, we're going to add the store address, and this is if you are setting up for a client or for yourself. Let's just add the demo store address for now. I'm gonna be using a really random address. So if you're setting up for a client, you can select this option, or you can just continue. Let's just click on continue. So there will be a pop-up after this step. As you can see, it is asking for a users tracking information if you wish to include yourself in that by WooCommerce, but you can just skip it by simply clicking on this no thanks. So the second step is to select which industry does your store operate in. I mean, this is simply related to how WordPress and WooCommerce will tailor your experience. So let's just select education and learning for now. For this is just for the demo purpose. You can select whichever one of your store operates in, or you can select multiple as well. Let's just click on continue. And the third step is to select the products, the kind of products we're gonna be selling on this store. I mean, so in this one, you can select all of these, or you can have just selected a few of them if you wish to sell subscriptions, memberships, etc. But by default, physical products and downloads are free in WooCommerce plugin, and if you wish to have subscription, membership, bookings, and so on, you need to buy separate extensions for them. So let's just select keep on physical products and continue. So in this fourth step, WooCommerce asks us to give us more information about our store. That includes how many products we're planning to sell, and if we're selling our products on anywhere else. This is just for WooCommerce user experience program. I mean, this doesn't affect your store anyhow. So let's just select any number for now. By the way, once you select any of these options, it will also give you some plugins to install. These will be marketing plugins. Either you can keep them toggled. It will just install once the setup completes. These plugins will get installed, but let's just skip all of them for now. We're gonna need that. And let's just select the current annual revenue, since we selected yes on another platform, but let's just say no, we are not selling anywhere else, and click on continue. So on this fifth and last step of this store setup process, we're gonna be shown with this theme selection step. Either we can continue with our active theme, that is Storefront, which we installed in the first step, or we can download or buy one of their free or paid themes. That is, in the free themes, you can find some of these free themes and some of their paid themes. All right, let's just continue with the storefront theme. And after that, you'll be shown with this WooCommerce and Jetpack page, where it just shows you what Jetpack adds in WooCommerce. Jetpack is a plugin by Automatic as well, and it just gives you some extra features such as easily printing shipping labels and giving you better automated sales taxes and some improvement in speed and security by Jetpack. But we can add this later on as well. So let's just click on no thanks. All right. So we have completed the setup, and in this step, it will just let us go through the tutorials for the whole WooCommerce admin page. But let's just skip it. And this is the WooCommerce store checklist. This is just to have you a little bit of general idea how the store setup works. So once we have done the store details, we can add products, choose payment methods, add text rates, set up shipping costs, personalize store. So first things first, we're gonna set up the payment methods. Let's just click on the settings in the WooCommerce menu and then go to the payments. We can enable, these are the default options you get in payment methods. Either we can just enable them by just clicking on these, check payments, direct bank transfer. You need to set up them before you do that. Here, just click on setup and then you can add those details. Let's just go back and we're gonna enable PayPal for now. Let's just enable the cash on delivery option as well to test the demo. And you can enable the PayPal as well. You just need to set up here. Let's just save changes and let's take a look. So this is how it looks as of now, but as you can see, we haven't have anything set up yet. We're gonna do that in the next step. So let's begin setting up our demo store. All right, so we're first gonna import the dummy data, the demo data. And by the way, if you don't know, WooCommerce plugin automatically comes with a sample data XML, and you can just import that. We are just going into the tools and then import here. And either you can choose the CSV option, or we can just go with this WordPress way of importing demo or any data. So let's just install this WordPress XML importer. We'll click on the run importer. Now we need to select that XML file, that dummy data file, and this is the file that comes with WooCommerce plugin itself. Either you can download the WooCommerce plugin again from the WordPress.org site. Here, plugins, WooCommerce, and you'll have this sample data in this sample data folder, and you can just use this XML file to import that. Let's just upload it here and click on upload file and import. So in this dummy data, there's one user by default. You can either select it to be included, or you can select some of one of your own users from the site to have that same data assigned to that author. We're just going to select editor for now and import attachments. Yes, we do want to import the thumbnails, images, etc. We'll click on submit. What this will do is it will automatically import all of the sample data from WooCommerce store. All right, the demo data has been imported. So let's take a look now at the site. We have this. It looks still the same as you can see, but if we go to the shop page, it will have all these products now. But remember, we haven't added any of these, so this is from the dummy data we just imported. You can see, you click on the shop page. Yeah, so now let's customize this a bit. We can customize the menu and background of shop, etc. Let's do that. Let's click on this customize button, or you can go to this appearance and then customize. It's the same thing. Let's just so the Storefront theme has this customizer step-by-step guide. Either you can go through this or you can skip this. We're gonna go through this manually, so let's skip it. First things first, we're gonna set up the menu. So the menu is in menus. So we're gonna create a new menu. We'll call it primary menu, and then we'll say primary menu. And then we'll add some items such as home and shop. Yeah, create. And you can add other pages as well if you have them. Let's just click on publish. We have the home page and the shop page. So now that's it. That's for the shop page. Either you can have the shop page by default as your home page. That you can do is from here, a static page, and you select the shop page as your default home page, and then post page such as your blog page. You can create one from here, say blog, and click on add and select it. So by default your home page is your shop page, and then you have your blog page. So yeah, let's click on this. You have your home page, that is your shop. So now let's take a look at the purchase process, the checkout process. Yeah, so let's click on anything, any product. We have this album product. We click on add to cart. This has been added in our cart. Let's click on the view cart. Yep, we have this. You can also create coupons in from the WooCommerce settings from the admin page here, coupons, etc. You have all sorts of options for a for an e-commerce store in the WooCommerce WP admin page, and then you can create all these options, discounts, coupons, added all these products and have more added, etc. So let's now proceed to checkout and see our payment methods we set up in our earlier steps. So as you can see, we have this cash on delivery option and the PayPal option. Let's select the cash on delivery option and we can fill our billing details. And yes, so now we can place the order. Once you have the PayPal or any other payment method set up, you can select any of these, and then that will take you to that checkouts process. We are just going to select the cash on delivery for this demo purpose. Let's just place the order. As you can see, we have placed this order and it shows the order has been received. Now you can check out the order in your WooCommerce orders. As you can see here, the order has been received and it says the status is on hold. So that was it for this video. This is how you can set up an e-commerce store and have the dummy data applied on the WooCommerce plugin. Hope you had a good time viewing this and learned something. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you for watching this. Hopefully subscribe if you like this, and thank you.